Hi, beloved. Hi, beloved. Here's my favorite homemade whole food salad. It's a remake of whole food salad I'm going to be making today. Doesn't that look good? This is salad I'm going to be making today here on God Given Health. So join me here on God Given Health for a remake of my favorite whole food salad. This is very healthy with cranberries and green spring mix. It's very healthy. Join me today on making this delicious salad. Stay tuned. So here are the ingredients for my remake whole food salad. A mixed spring salad. It's one of my favorite salads from Whole Foods, but it's kind of expensive, so yeah, this is my favorite right here. So watch me make it. Watch me make it at half the cost from Whole Foods. So here is my spring mix. It's organic. I actually got this from Walmart. And so it's organic, and it said it's pre-rinsed, but I always rinse mine anyway. So rinse your salad. I already rinsed mine. So here are the ingredients. So first I'm going to add some cranberries. I'm just going to sprinkle some cranberries on. Just put however many you like. This is a big salad that you'll be able to share. So this is a huge bowl. So just about 2 or 3 sprinkles. I like a lot of cranberries on mine. And so the actual recipe also calls for pecans, but I didn't want to put pecans on this one, so I'm not going to use pecans. So the next thing I'm going to add is the cheese, and this is the goat cheese. This is the same recipe. Sometimes they use the cheese that has a little green stuff in it. I'm not sure what kind that is. I forgot the name of it. I'll put it on the screen if I can remember. And so just put however much cheese you like. And so I kind of like a lot. They put a lot of cheese in theirs. Just remember the cheese has a lot of sodium, and so we want to be health minded. We want to keep our health in mind. Okay, so we got, this is a very simple recipe, which is also why I like it. And so now we're just going to put the dressing on. You can also put the dressing on after you serve it and put it in your own plate, which I'm going to do right now. Own bowl, I mean. So here's my bowl. I'm going to put some in here in my bowl, just a little, not too much. I'm going to grab it right from the top. It's just my favorite salad at half the cost, but definitely more healthy. And so now we're going to put the dressing, the balsamic dressing. This is the secret recipe right here. So we're going to put the dressing on here. Just a few squirts. You can also use a spoon. So it's not a typical tablespoon, but it's a tablespoon, homemade, you know, from the South. And so you can just put a little bit of that. This salad, the spring mix is, it's kind of strong, so you can add a little extra dressing, whatever you like. And so yeah, there you have it. That's my favorite salad right here. I can't wait to eat it. Now this you could serve with this with chicken fingers, like Tyson or what's the other people? Foster Farm chicken fingers. You could serve this with. You can also serve it with grilled chicken, fish, even tuna fish on the side, or you can mix it in there. And so yeah, this is it. This is my favorite whole food salad that I made at home for myself, because the salad today at Whole Foods, oh, it's so expensive. The recent, it went up since the pandemic, and so I noticed that it went up. I noticed that it went up about like $5. This salad was normally under $10. I'm gonna guess about $7-8. And I noticed the last time I went to Whole Foods, it was like $15, and I'm like, what? That's too much. So I just decided to make my own at home. It's healthy and it's very, very delicious. Here it is, my favorite Whole Food salad made at home. Whole Food salad with goat cheese, cranberries, remake. They don't really have a name for this salad. I think they used to, but somewhere they changed it and I can't remember it, but it's my favorite. So let me give it a taste test with some cranberries over here. Just want to taste it, see how good it is, if it's good like I remember. It's very sweet, especially with the cranberries. You're tempted to add something more sweet, but then once you eat the cranberries, you realize you don't need anything else sweet with it. My favorite Whole Food salad made at home. I encourage you to give this a try. This has nothing to do with Whole Foods. It's not to promote them. It's just my favorite salad. And it's to save us some money, especially the inflation through the pandemic. Like I said, this salad, the price of it has went through the roof. It's almost $15. And so you get to make it at home. And all the ingredients you can buy at Walmart or Whole Foods or Sprouts. They have all the ingredients. Okay, and I'll have everything in the description box below. Thank you for stopping by. God-given health once again. Chat with you later. Bye-bye.